Let's practice converting lengths from meters and feet to centimeters. Here's the problem. A garden bed is 2.5 meters long and a path is 8 feet long. Given that 1 foot equals 30.48 centimeters, convert both lengths to centimeters and state which is longer. First, let's convert the garden bed length from meters to centimeters. 2.5 meters times 100 equals 250 centimeters. So the garden bed is 250 centimeters long. Next, convert the path length from feet to centimeters. 8 feet times 30.48 equals 243.84 centimeters. So the path is 243.84 centimeters long, which is approximately 2.44 meters. Now compare. 250 centimeters is greater than 243.84 centimeters. Therefore, the garden bed is longer. To convert between units, multiply by the appropriate conversion factor.